Hello, I'm Richard Bennett out in the shed, and today I want to talk to you about Habitat for Humanity. A little while back I saw a video clip on the internet with Jimmy Carter, and it's a present day video. He's about 95 years old now. Anyhow, he was out on a house work site working on a house. So I thought, well, that's kind of nice. That's pretty noble of him. And I looked around in the area, seeing if I could find a Habitat for Humanity house in the general vicinity. And I didn't find one nearby, but while doing the search, I tripped across a store, a Habitat for Humanity store. They call it a Restore, and I didn't know they existed. Well, anyhow, I had a need for something, and I said, well, I'll go check this store out. And I figured it was going to be the size of a convenience store, just a little small corner lot thing. Well, when I got there, it was a warehouse. It was huge, bigger than I imagined. And the one I found was one in Arlington, located on Mayfield Road. And it's called the Trinity Habitat for Humanity. There's 4 of them in the Tarrant County area, and they call themselves the Trinity Habitat for Humanity. And this particular one was located at 905 West Mayfield Road, which is right off of Matlock in Arlington. And I'm putting a little map up here so you can see where it's located and how to get there if you're interested. Anyway, I talked to the managers there, and they're a little camera shy, and they just said, well, be sure and tell people when you do your little YouTube video, tell people that you're not an employee. I'm not an employee. I'm just a happy customer. I'm happy to promote Trinity Habitat for Humanity Restore. And they went on and told me that 60% of what they get is donated, and they purchase the other 40%. And they get items like bathtubs and beds and sofas and doors and shingles, and I'll show you here in the video in just a second. But anyhow, if you have anything to give these people, give them a call at this telephone number right here. And also make sure what you have is not broken. They take things that are new and slightly used. Are you a college student? This is the place to go. Are you a newlywed? They have some great deals. Are you an oldie-wed? They have some money-saving deals for you too. Are you a renter? Are you a landlord? Are you thinking about building? Hang on here and take a look, see what they've got. Okay? Well, let's go. They're not open on Monday or Sunday. And then they're open from 9 to 6. So let's go inside, shall we? I get the feeling this is a big place. Shopping baskets for your convenience. They've got paint solutions or chemicals, paint brushes, more paint brushes, more paint equipment, bed linens, ceiling lights, shot glasses, table saw, a few assorted sundries, plates, kitchen hardware stuff on the shelves, salt shakers, cups, glasses. I don't see any knives and forks, not yet. Lights, kitchen plumbing hardware. Here's a few more glasses. Bathtubs, washing machines. Here's a shower base for half price you'd get at retail. Deer mats, material for flooring, self-adhesive vinyl flooring, floor rugs, Thrones. More thrones. Some outdoor chair furniture. More floor material. Locking tiles. Some overhead lights. Couches. Looks like a good deal over here. $250 for 2 seats. Man, you pay over $1,000 for that retail, new. This doesn't look like it's ever been used. Home design, wall art, doors, more doors, more indoor chair furniture, a few folding chairs, some indoor furniture, some shelving, entertainment centers, more entertainment centers, floor tiles. I'd have a field day here. Various bins filled with nuts and screws and bolts and nails. And if you want to look through all this stuff, I suggest bringing a flashlight because it gets a little dark in these areas and I just don't see as good as I used to. Wire, handles, saws, soap dispensers. Oh, there's an old level. Wonder how much they want for that. Oh, an old fishing bucket, $10. I wonder if they sell those anymore. Nails, and more nails, more nails, masonry nails, framing nails, roofing nails, framing and roofing nails. Lots of nails here, people. Different doors for cabinets for mix and match. More doors for cabinets. Antiques. $50, not bad. Sinks for the kitchen. Various plumbing fixtures for the kitchen and bathrooms. More sinks. More thrones. Microwaves. A few microwaves. More thrones. More sinks, metal sinks, ceramic sinks, more metal sinks. Here's a nice bed frame. Probably go for over $1,000 retail, but it looks like it's $300 here. We've got quite a few bed frames, file cabinets, shelves in the background, stoves. Here's some kind of old-timey exercise machine. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. File cabinets. More ovens and stoves. There's a washing machine, a $75 washing machine. That's a good price. Overhead fans, quite a few of them. Looks like some unfinished wood and quarter boards, baseboards. Here's a bathtub. One of these massaging bathtubs going for $600. And here's some floor carpeting and some linoleum flooring. More doors, more sliding doors, outside doors. And here's some more quarter boards. That's a huge mirror. Here's an unusual door. A door with paneling on it. Made of real wood, not just paneling. Looks like they just had a delivery of window air units, air conditioning units. There's a few sinks and bathtubs out in the back. Now here's some windows, window units, even door windows, even shutters. Windows, and a big pile of screens down that way in the middle. These are huge fans. They look like they're restaurant size fans. A lot of them, all working. Fans and blades and window equipment like curtains and curtain rods. More fans. If you need a fan, come down here and get it. They've got it. Lighting. Home decor. Couches. And here's a nice little couch area. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. More chairs.
You were here?
Yes, sir.
I have a question. Y'all can watch her real quick and I'll be back.
Okay.
I was trying to figure out the price on the window.
Odd various items that fit into duct equipment. Looks like some roofing tar paper. Look in the background there. There's a whole wall of cabinets. I wonder how far back that goes. Well, it goes all the way back here. Ducting and lights. There are plenty of lights here, light bulbs, and there are plenty of lights to put the light bulbs in. Venetian blinds, various sizes. To the left of me, and to the right of me, and in front of me. Goodness. That's a lot of blinding. More Venetian blinds. Different sizes, different styles. Okay, the bargain bins. Different size tools. Various things you need around the house and the garage. There's the checkout stand. But look, there's even more. What the heck is this? Cleaning outfits. You get inside them and I guess you clean up nuclear waste or something.